Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Trelawney. We are by looking at the Riu Aquarelle hotel being built in Trelawney, Jamaica. Now this hotel is going to open in March or May next year, sometime next year. It's 753 rooms. It's a massive hotel. Now looking at this building, which is just one part of the hotel, over here is another part. You would think this hotel would have more than 753 rooms. That building there is 12 floors high. 12 floors. And that over there, where you see the crane and below the crane, that is also a part of this hotel. Now this is actually Riu's 6th hotel. Is it 6th? 7th. This is going to make the 7th hotel they have in Jamaica. Very nice building. And I must say, this hotel went up very fast. It's May 2024 that they are going to open, and they've started to take reservations for this property already. And right beside it, I don't think the video is, you can't see it from this angle, is another hotel, Royalton, and they recently refurbished one section of the hotel. Very nicely done. I must say the amount of workers on this project, I was really impressed. I've never seen so many workers on one site before, and this building went up in record time, I would say, very quickly. We're by Cooper's Pen in Trelawney, and this entire area it's one of the fastest growing tourist areas in Jamaica, because you have the Royalton beside it, then you have Riu here, and they plan to build two more. I'm not sure if both are going to be hotels, but there are two more developments. One is going to be a hotel, and the other one, I'm not sure if it's a hotel or villas, but two massive projects are slated for this area. But we'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so we're going to give you, show you the hotel from another view. It's raining on and off, so we're not able to fly the drone, but we will give you drone footage very soon. As we're going to send up the drone, and then the rain comes down, and then that's the end of the drone. And it's a Chinese contractor that's doing this building. I mean, anytime you see a building go up so fast, you know it's a Chinese contractor. But I mean, just look at the size of this hotel, and it's only 753 rooms. Now, Riu has a hotel in Jamaica that's 900 rooms. So this is not even their largest property in Jamaica. And the largest hotel in Jamaica is 2,000 rooms, the Princess Resort in Green Island, although it's listed as Negril. So 753 rooms is small compared to what's out there, but it's just the size of the hotel that I'm impressed with. Alright, so this is Cooper's Pen. So guys, let us know what you think of this property. And what really impressed me as well is that they have started to take bookings, because the hotel is not finished. Now they expect to finish all construction by the end of December, which should be, about 2 weeks from now. Okay, so this is the Royalton here on the right, and then the white building straight ahead is Riu. They're actually very close. Well, I mean, they're going to share a beach, so Yeah, but what really impressed me, or I should say stood out, is that they are now taking reservations. So suppose something goes wrong and the hotel is not ready. But the good thing is they have 6 other properties, so I guess they can just rebook the guests at another property. But there are many times when you try to get a room at these hotels, especially Riu, and they are booked out, meaning fully booked. You have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Jamaica currently has 31,000 hotel rooms, and in the next few years they plan to have 50,000 hotel rooms. But the way things are going in Jamaica and all the progress, and everybody wants to visit Jamaica, 30,000 or 50,000 rooms, it's not going to be enough. They're going to need more very soon. In the same way that they're going to need a second airport, real airport along this strip, the Ian Fleming International Airport in Ocho Rios. That hotel is a joke. That airport, it's a joke. They need another real international airport that can bring in passengers. That airport in Ocho Rios, it cannot land the big planes. I just don't understand why would you set up an airport that cannot land big planes. So the Sangsa International Airport, every week a new flight, inaugural flight, comes in from another part of the world. So it's booming. The tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well, and it's growing. Every day it's growing. So 50,000 hotel rooms still might not be enough. They're going to need even more. And I wouldn't be surprised if over here on the right is where they're building another hotel. I think it's Excellence at Oyster Bay, if my memory serves me correctly. Okay, we're going to turn in there and show you. Or did we pass the entrance? But it's growing. The Jamaican tourist market, it's growing. Okay, let's see what the name of this hotel is. Yep, Excellence Oyster Bay. Another massive development is going to go on over here. Actually, is it? No, it's not open. I don't know. Is it open? Excellence Oyster Bay, Jamaica. And then Falmouth also has a cruise ship here, one of the best cruise ship piers in the world. Alright guys, so thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.